Look, everyone on the internet right now is telling you that artificial intelligence is going to make you rich. But here is the really uncomfortable truth. Most AI side hustles in 2026 won't even make you $100 a month. Welcome to today's Explainer. I'm your host, and today we're cutting completely through all that guru hype. I'm going to give you a totally honest, evidence-based tier list of AI side hustles for 2026. We've actually gone out and gathered data from top venture builders, industry experts, and real everyday side hustlers to rank these businesses from absolute trash all the way up to the highly coveted S tier.
So let's address the elephant in the room right away. Is AI really making people rich? Well, the short answer is yes, but absolutely not in the way most people think. We're definitely seeing real people generate $10,000 to $30,000 a month, but the overwhelming majority of beginners, they're making zero. Why? Because the market has fundamentally shifted. What worked back in 2023 or 2024, spinning up some generic AI content farm or selling a basic bundle of prompts, that is completely dead today.
Okay, let's dive into this with a quote from tech entrepreneur Dan Martell, because this perfectly captures the current landscape. To actually separate fact from fiction here, we're not just guessing. We are grading these hustles based on very strict criteria: profitability, startup cost, difficulty, competition, and scalability. We are looking for real sustainable demand, not just some quick, flash-in-the-pan cash grab.
So here is our roadmap for today's Explainer. 1. The trash tier of dead methods. 2. The mid-tiers. 3. The A-tier solid earners. 4. The highly coveted S-tier Goldmine. And finally, number 5, the ultimate actionable takeaway.
All right, let's kick things off with Section 1, the trash tier, dead side hustles.
Welcome to the graveyard. These are the methods those internet gurus absolutely love to sell courses on, but in reality, they're mathematically structured to make you lose your time and your money. Look at how quickly these older models have just totally collapsed. Faceless YouTube channels? Yeah, that was a huge gold rush in 2024. But today, platforms are aggressively demonetizing that low-effort AI slop. Your income potential is effectively zero. Then you've got generic print on demand, which is just a race to the bottom, where you'll literally spend more on ads than you'll ever make back. And basic data entry or captioning, AI doesn't just help with those tasks anymore, it has completely replaced them.
The biggest mistake people make in this tier is failing to apply one simple filter to their business idea. Before you start literally anything, ask yourself, if I can generate this instantly with a free AI tool, what is stopping my customer from doing the exact same thing? If your entire business model is just pressing generate and delivering unedited raw output, actually, scratch that, you don't even have a business. You have a hobby that's about to be obsolete.
Moving right along to Section 2, the mid-tiers, high effort, low return.
Now these C and B range methods, they are legitimate side hustles for sure, but they come with massive roadblocks. They either demand an exhausting amount of manual effort, or they're battling some serious market saturation. Take AI voice and audiobook narration sitting there in the C tier. Yes, production is 10 times faster now, but platforms like ACX have fixed payout rates. That puts a hard, immovable cap on your income ceiling. Then you have prompt engineering, sitting at a C+. Sure, you can still pull in maybe $75 to $150 an hour freelancing on Upwork, which, by the way, is way down from the $250 an hour we saw a couple of years ago as the market normalized. But at the end of the day, you're still just trading your precious time for money. Finally, AI newsletters are a really solid B tier. They have great potential, but man, they take a grueling 12 to 18 months of consistent, non-stop publishing to actually build and monetize an audience.
So the crucial point is this. The people getting stuck in these mid-tiers are usually making the mistake of selling their hours instead of selling a concrete business result. They're out there competing on who can use an AI tool the fastest, rather than actually using that AI tool to solve a painful, expensive problem for a specific client.
Let's step it up. Section 3, the A tier, the solid owners.
Okay, this is where the real money actually starts flowing. These businesses don't use AI as a cheap gimmick. They combine it with real-world skills to serve very hungry niches. Look at custom app building, which is also known as vibe coding. Using amazing platforms like Lovable or Replit, non-coders can literally just type out what they want in plain English, and the AI builds functional software. It's wild. You can sell these custom tools to local businesses at massive margins. Lead generation systems, also highly lucrative because you're directly handing new paying customers to a business. And AI website templates? You build a site once using an AI generator, turn it into a reusable template, and then customize it for hundreds of local shops for, say, $500 a pop.
But here is the absolute secret weapon for the A tier, and conversely, the biggest mistake most people make, failing to niche down. You really don't want to be a general AI consultant. You want to be the specific person who builds AI quoting tools specifically for roofing contractors. And get this is crazy. As of May 2026, the U.S. Census Bureau reported that only 1 in 5 American businesses actually use AI. 1 in 5! Most of the economy hasn't even started yet. The opportunity for niche, targeted solutions right now is just staggering.
And this brilliantly illustrates the massive gap in income potential we're talking about. People lingering down in those trash and mid-tiers are fighting tooth and nail for just a few $100s. But the very moment you transition to solving high-value problems for businesses, that ceiling blasts wide open to $10, $20, or even $30,000 a month in recurring revenue, which perfectly sets us up for the very top.
Section 4. The S tier, the AI Goldmine.
These are the ultimate winners of 2026. These are highly scalable, services software businesses that offer literal generational wealth potential because they completely replace expensive human agencies. An AI chatbot agency, for example, involves building advanced customer service and booking bots for specific industries. Think real estate agencies or local dental clinics. Once it's built, you charge a monthly retainer, or MRR, monthly recurring revenue, just to maintain it. AI content agencies use AI to produce massive volumes of high-quality, hyper-targeted content for brands without the heavy overhead of traditional video shoots. But the absolute king right now? Unquestionably, it's AI agent development. Experts are literally calling AI agents the iPhone moment of AI. You aren't just selling a piece of software anymore. You are selling a 24/7 digital team to a business that manages everything from operations straight through to sales.
But hey, let's ground ourselves with a quick reality check here. The S tier is absolutely not a get-rich-quick scheme. The data clearly shows that the biggest mistakes beginners make here are expecting overnight wealth. I mean, the time to your first real $1,000 is often 3 to 6 months. People will start a chatbot agency, get totally distracted by some shiny new AI trading bot a week later, and end up quitting right before they hit that critical 6-month inflection point where these businesses actually start to scale. Long-term success here requires extreme, unwavering focus.
Which brings us to our final stop, Section 5, the ultimate 2026 takeaway.
Let's move to and see how this builds into an actionable plan. The core lesson of 2026 is that artificial intelligence is a multiplier of your skills. It is not a replacement for fundamental business sense. So here is your actionable launch framework based on that reality. Step 1, pick one tool and master it entirely. Seriously, stop trying to learn 30 different AI apps at once. Pick Claude, pick Make.com, or pick Lovable, and just go deep. Step 2, find a repeating problem for a specific business niche. Go talk to a local business owner and find out exactly what manual, boring task is eating up their week. Step 3, build one single solution. Sell them the result, meaning you're not selling them AI, you're selling the time and money you are saving them, and then iterate from there.
If you got some solid value out of this explainer today and you're finally ready to stop chasing the hype and start building real leverage, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who really needs to hear it. Now, I turn it over to you. Which AI side hustle do you think truly deserves to be in the S tier, and which one do you think is completely overrated right now? Let me know down in the comments, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.